I'm going to tell you about the time humanity decided to build a stairway to heaven, and God said absolutely not. So after the flood, God told everyone to spread out and fill the earth. Simple instruction, right? But there was this guy, Nimrod, a literal giant, and he had other plans. He convinced everyone to stay in one place, a land called Shinar, and build a massive ziggurat. Now, this wasn't just any tower. They wanted to use it to access the gods themselves, to meet the divine on their terms, not God's terms. Dude, uncool. So God and the heavenly host came down to see what was happening, and they were not pleased. Very, very not pleased. God looked at this tower and said no, then confused everyone's language so they couldn't understand each other anymore. Suddenly nobody could coordinate anything, and people scattered all over the earth. But here's where it gets really interesting. God basically disinherited these rebellious nations and assigned them to members of his divine council, the sons of God mentioned in Deuteronomy 32:8. To govern them. And that's how one construction project became the origin story of every nation on earth.